It's got a bit chilly, so I put my coat on. Right, let's see. Here we go. Okay. Right. So. Yeah, I think I've started that one. Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. Tell you what, come a bit. That's better. Yes, I know I haven't had a shave. I wasn't expecting you. I was drinking my cup of tea with free hot water from my Tesla battery solar system. What I was doing was going through my list of videos that I've made up to do for you lot, and there's quite a few. If you're wondering why it's on paper and not in my book, because a couple of weeks back I was in hospital, angina attack. Nothing wrong with my heart, that's fine. I've got a little bit of cholesterol, not a problem, so they put it down to stress. And because of that, I've said, sod inspection, sod the garden, they'll get done when they get done. And I'm informing housing of that, because my health comes first. Okay? Right, so what videos have you got to look forward to in the future? I've got a favourite, which is going to be a bit mind-boggling, and I know one person, Rinoa. She will love my Victorian video I've got planned. It's not anything to do with the Victorians, but it's a Victorian item that I'm building. Okay, what do we got? Oh yes, get my vault out of the garage and strengthen the vanes, because I found that when the sun's out and a bit warm, the cutting boards I used was a little flexible, shall we say. Yeah, the Victorian one. I've done the final design for my nice EV. I know I'm doing all this on this channel, but all the reveal, if you like, of what I've got planned for the electric vehicle, my nice EV, will be on my nice EV channel. Okay, oh, that's a biggie. Empty the garage. You want to see it. Tesla type Powerwall battery final design. That is 99.9% finished. I've got two 50-watt solar panels up on the lab, which I blew the diodes when I was rushing to get my lab operational. So I've got to take them down and replace the diodes, and then they'll be back in action. At the moment I've got my two prize solar panels, the 45-watt ones, just leant up against the lab, helping to keep the Tesla battery topped up. Then I'm going to install the two 45-watt ones. I've got a friend of mine bringing me a tumble dryer, which I'm going to convert to 24 volts. So that'll be a video on its, probably a video series, mini series. New CNC, you've got that to look forward to on my other channel. My council shed, got to clear that out, so I then got a mechanical workshop as well. I'm going to put flooring in there as well, so again that'll be probably a mini series to do all that. I'm going to run a 24 volt supply up to the council shed. On my other channel, on this channel, I should be building and testing my nice EV motor pod, because it's not a thing that is definitely going to work, but I want to put it together on this channel, because I use this channel like a prototyping channel. Then once I've got it working, I can put it over onto my nice EV channel as part of an assembly to go on the car. And you're going to love how I'm building the car, you really are. I'm going to build a volt-amp meter for load display, not a digital meter. I prefer the analog meters. Right. I've got to build a dust smoke extractor for the bench. I'm going to start my shoebox charger. I'm going to do a new intro for my nice EV channel. A gel pack cell, which is a type of solar cell, and that will be following on an experiment that Robert Murray Smith did, and If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. But you know me, positive mental attitude, it's going to work. Chain steering rack for my nice EV. And then here's another one, a rain cell generator system. That's going to be using virtually all second-hand components. I'm going to build another wind turbine, but with a Peltium wheel instead of the Volt, and then we'll take it out in the Frontera and see what voltages we can get out of it. Yes, my LED light boards. I was watching a ham video, well, it was a series of videos, and when I do it I will link that amateur's channel in as well, where he made a box in a kit out of printed circuit boards. He just soldered the edges. So I'm looking to do the same thing with my light bulb. Then I got a headlight main beam and dipping system to produce for my nice EV. I'm also going to see if I can convert my liquidizer from the kitchen to 24 volts, and also I've got a small slow cooker to see if I can run that on some kind of DC power, probably a step-up converter or something like that. I don't know yet. That's those. Also I've got other bits and pieces that I've already done, I'm afraid, but I'll show you in later videos. I've converted my soldering iron to 24 volts, my glue gun to 24 volts. In a sense, the glue gun now glues, melts the glue and glues stuff up, but also saves power as well, because because I put a bigger wattage heater in there. The gun originally was 20 watts, and I put a 40 watt heater in that you get on 3D extruders. If I leave it on all the time, it boils the glue. So what I do is I turn it on till it goes liquid, turn it off, and I can get up to 10 joints before I need to switch it back on again. So in a sense I'm saving power by not having it on all the time. I've also got desoldering station from my friend Patrick in Ireland, and I'm going to try and turn that over to 24 volts. So yeah, there's lots and lots of videos to come, and say cheers, welcome home to all of you. Now check out my new intro for this channel, and thank you ever so much to all of you, all your goodwill messages, and I just always gobsmacked by your support. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, every single one of you, whether you understand my language or not. Thank you, and thank you to all my viewers, because I've been getting incredible views even though I haven't been putting videos up, and I want to thank you all. And if you're new, welcome. You're always welcome, everybody's welcome, because always remember, the dull and ignorant have a story as well. You're listening to mine, and you can't get any more dull and ignorant than me. Enjoy the intro, people. see you next week. I'm going to try and do a video every weekend. If I can get another one in the meantime, I will do so, but I'm going to make a video once every weekend. Cheers for now. Cuppers away.